What's going on, guys? I'm just gonna do a quick overview video today. Rough and dirty, gonna try to do this in one take, but today we have the Axial Gear biggest sale of the year package right here in front of you. This consists of the Axial Gear Shift, the dart right here, one of their pry bars, some of their special knife oil for OTFs, a whole knife kit, toolkit here, all the bits and drivers and whatnot. Came with a Spuds cleaning cloth. This very nice material mat right here for breaking down knives and whatnot, and a couple of their decals. I just gotta say, man, these OTFs are very impressive. Very good quality from what I can tell. The play is very similar to a Microtech. Actually, I have a Microtech Ultratech in front of me, so I might as well just show you guys that too. Here we have the Ultratech and the Axial Gear Shift. Very similar sized knives if I line them up here. And play is very similar. So the Axial Gear, minimal. The Microtech, a little more minimal, but it's not very far off. The action is very smooth. I can't do this with my left hand, sorry guys. There we go. Very similar size in comparison. And man, the quality is just there for an all-American made brand. For, I think I got this package minus this. This was sent to me for review and testing. I got this entire package here for, I believe, $200. And man, I'm just blown away by the quality of this thing. It's a CPM S35 VN blade, stonewash finish, and their coating. I'm not sure what this is, but it sure does feel great. Got a nice deep carry pocket clip with their logo on it. Action feels awesome. It's very similar to the Microtech. And yeah, I'm just really impressed with what I'm seeing from them so far. The dart is actually really cool too. Pretty similar to the Microtech Exo set from what I'm seeing so far. Action is great. It feels like it fires really hard too. But from what I'm seeing, their craftsmanship is amazing for the price. The pry bar here is very nice quality. Gonna put that thing to use. It's got a nice pocket clip on it, deep carry also. Curious to try out this this oil here. If you guys want to zoom in on that, it's specifically made for the OTFs. And yeah, that's pretty much quick and dirty video. I just too excited. I got this thing in the mail. The boxing was nice also. Came with 3 of the sheaths there. This is the box for the dart. Came with let's see here if I can open it. Came with some paperwork. Let's see. Looks like it's a welcome thing, and a looks like a QC card signed by MR. Very nice quality stuff though. Man, I can't believe what I'm seeing. Set that aside for now. But anyways, guys, Axial Gear is awesome. I'm really thinking I'm gonna pick up a few more models from this company if they decide to come out with more. Thanks for watching.